roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking and singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dream that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?
Vivo per lei da quando, sai, la prima volta l'ho incontrata. Non mi ricordo come, ma mi è entrata dentro e c'è restata. Vivo per lei perché mi fa vibrare forte l'anima. Vivo per lei e non è un peso.
That I know will never leave. It doesn't matter what I do, I know this love will never deceive me. It doesn't matter how I go, oh, on the fears I know, but now it's here to make me love again.
È una musa che ci invita.
Nothing could be sweeter.
Attraverso un pianoforte, la morte è lontana. Io vivo per lei.
Now with my new love I can cope with all the hurt and all the sadness. You are the one who gives me hope in this kind of love and madness.
Vivo per lei, il son mi fa girare di città in città, soffrire un po' ma almeno io vivo.
I can hear the music.
Vivo per lei dentro ogni hotel.
Something
vivo per lei, io vivo per lei, sopra un palco con per lei perché oramai io non ho altra via d'uscita, perché la musica, lo sai, davvero non l'ho mai tradita.
Now when I hear the music play, a voice inside me starts to say, I will always be there when you call, when you need a friend.
Vivo per lei.
When you need
Vivo per lei unica. Io vivo per lei. Io vivo per
lei.
Io vivo per lei.
Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life.
Take me on a date, I deserve a bait. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got that 9 to 5, but baby so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making apple pies. I never learned to cook, but I can ride a hook. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? Well, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Dear future husband, make time for me, don't leave me lonely, and no one never see your family more than mine. I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Hey. Open doors for me and you might get some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind, just be a classy guy and buy me a ring.